I work for Nature Africa and I'm part of the local organising committee of this conference. This is the 13th World Science Journalism Conference and it's the first time that it's been in Africa. And we're really excited to have it in Africa because science journalism is part of what is changing the narrative around Africa. It's showing the world that Africa is producing amazing people doing incredible things and developing in a way that we don't always hear. People outside of Africa don't always hear what's happening in Africa, and science journalists are the ones that are telling those stories, that are bringing the really complex science to the people. And at this conference, we're going to have around 400 science journalists, but also others that are joining online and learning, improving our skills, growing the profession. So that's why we're here, and we're really excited about it.